something extremely dumb. I think I left my lights on or interior light or something, but my battery's not starting. So let's see. I put in the key. Absolutely nothing. So I have an emergency jump starter kit I got from Amazon. Now with this little battery jumper, should be able to get the car started. Best $100 I've ever spent. Lifesaver. Bam. If you can afford a car, you can afford one of those portable jumping battery starter packs. The car's not starting, and it would save you hundreds of dollars in avoiding a tow. I'm so happy my car started.